Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Dr. Robinson here again. We are going to continue our study skills series for grade 7 with the topic of area word problems dedicated to this nice young man who works so hard. So let's shoot for the stars with him. If you need help with your homework, there's Dial a Teacher Homework Helpline at 212-777-3380. Monday to Thursdays, 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Give them a call. They're very nice people. Don't forget to watch Dr. Rob's YouTube videos. My channel name is Dan Robinson, PKMS, Peekskill Middle School. Subscribe to my channel. Give us a thumbs up. Hopefully you like what we're doing. Write us a comment. I do write back. Check out our latest release, PKMS Math Prep 21. A little salute to the heroes of the pandemic. You can tweet me at drobmath1. Don't forget to watch our show Math Time on Tuesdays from 4:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. only in Peekskill on Optimum Cablevision, Channel 15. All right, let's get going here. Today we're going to talk about area word problems. Now, the other day we talked about perimeter. So now we're dealing with his older brother, area. So let's review, because I know my 7th graders had some experience some time ago with area before. So let's find the area of this rectangle below. Here we have the dimensions of 7.6 feet and 11.8 feet. If you remember, area of a rectangle is found by multiplying the two sides that you have length and width. So let me get a calculator because they have some decimals that are there. So I'm going to multiply the length and the width, 7.6 times 11.8. And that'll give me my area, which is 89.68. And remember, we're talking about the space inside of a figure, so that's square feet. Okay, so that's a little review of area, how you guys did it a long time ago in 5th or 6th grade. So let's keep going. Hopefully you understood what we did, because we're going to bring it up a little bit more challenging for grade 7. If you didn't understand what we did, please watch the video again and take a look at what we did. Write down your questions and bring them in. All right, let's go over a few notes that we should know. Area is the space that a figure occupies. So it's the space inside of a figure, and that space, by the way, is two-dimensional. It has 2 dimensions, a length and width. And for my Espanol, espacio ocupa. The area, to find the area, what did we do? Did you notice? Yes, we multiplied. What did we multiply in order to find the area of the rectangle? The length and the width. Good. So I'll let it loose for my Espanol students. So if I'm looking for the area, if I'm looking for space inside of a figure, I need to calculate the area, because that's the space inside of a figure. Okay, so that's our vocabulary that you need to go, and I think it's pretty straightforward. So if you're not sure, rewatch it again, write down questions, but try to make sure you know those terms. All right, let's get into an application. What we mean by application, an actual use of area problems, because people always ask, Dr. Rob, when am I ever going to use this stuff? So here's an example where Justin installs a new carpet in his living room that measures 12.4 feet by 7.8 feet. The carpet costs $2.89 per square foot. What is the total of the carpet needed for Justin's living room? So, and the total carpet that he needs for his living room, well, I'm a little more curious. I'd like to find out, how much does it cost to carpet this living room. So, real life application. If you look at his carpeting down there, here are some, I think, samples or swatches of the living room color carpets that he could choose from. It's in the shape of a rectangle. So, what do we have here? We have measurements of 12.4, and let me get a pen, 12.4 feet and 7.8 feet. So let's change colors, 7.8 feet. And if you remember what we just did in the beginning, we multiplied. So let me get my calculator. The length times the width. So let's clear that. So 12.4. And we got to multiply that by, and let me move this over, 7.8. 7.8. This will give us the total area that he needs. So let's pull this out. So Justin needs 96.72 square feet. And they want to know what's the total carpet that he needs. That's how many squares he'll need. So each one of these squares would fill up that room, 96.72. And that's the answer to the question. That's all we have to do. So we're finished. But why did they give us this amount of money, Dr. Rob? Put it in green, because when we're talking money, we're talking green. Well, I'm going to tell you, because if you have to buy carpet, it's going to cost you money for each foot that you buy. So one of these squares would cost $2.89. And that's not a good color. $2.89 for one square. So they're selling carpet per square foot. So we know he needs 96.72 square feet. And I'm curious, how many square feet would he really need? Because they sell it by the square foot. So could he buy 96.72? That's like almost 97 feet is what they would sell them. They don't sell these half feet or portions of square feet. They sell it by each one of these little squares. So you can't get half or a portion of it. So you'd have to buy one extra. So he needs to buy 97. And in order to get that, we're going to have the total price, we'd have to multiply that by $2.89. And that would give us how much it's going to cost him. So this is usually a typical problem in the state test. So let's get our calculator. And I know he needs 96.72. He's going to have a little left over. So I'm going to take 97 feet, because he has to buy 97, because I rounded it off to the nearest whole number. And now I'm going to multiply that by the $2.89, 89 that he has to buy. So he needs 97 square feet, and he's got to pay $2.89 for each one of those squares. So how much is he going to pay in total? He pays, and let me get that out. Let's take that out. So he's going to pay $200.33. 280.33. That's a lot of money for that carpeting in his living room, Justin. So I hope you enjoy your carpet and pick a good color. So that's how much he pays. But they didn't ask us how much he paid. They were only interested in how much carpet will he need for his living room. So I guess we're finished with this question. So let's unloose some of this stuff. So there is how much you would pay, $280.33 if you wanted to buy the carpet. And again, you'd have to buy 97 feet, not 96. And I have a pull tab over here. So what is that? Oh, so area equals length times width. So that was 12.4 feet times 7.8 feet. His approximate uh, area that he would need for this carpet would be 96.72 feet. Is what he exactly needs, and that's what we circled up here. That's the total carpeting that he needs, or the area carpet that he needs. So, and notice I rounded it off to 97 because they don't sell feet by the half. They don't sell carpet by the half foot or anything. So they want to make sure you get the whole piece. So if you need extra, you got to buy extra. So I hope you enjoyed that question. Very good application. So here it is in Espanol for my Espanol alumnos. So remember what we did and how much you have to pay if you were going to buy 97 square feet of carpet. So I hope you understood that application of area. Good question. If not, rewatch the video and check it out again. Here's one more question and we'll end right here. We want to find the area of this given rectangle. And this time it's a little bit different because now we're dealing with two sides where we have a length and width, but I'm noticing one of the dimensions has a variable with the exponent there. So that's different. How do we tackle that, Dr. Rob? Well, you remember the area formula is length times width. So you're going to multiply. What are you going to multiply? You're going to multiply the 5 times all of the width. The width is a trinomial or a polynomial of 3 terms. So you're going to distribute. That's right. You remember distribution. You're going to multiply each one of these terms by the 5. So everything gets multiplied by the 5. 5 gets multiplied by the 3x squared. 5 is going to get multiplied by the minus 4x. And 5 is going to get multiplied by the plus 1. And let's wrap it up. 5 times 3 is 15. Don't forget the x squared. 5 times minus 4x is minus 20x. And last but not least, 5 times 1 is positive 1, positive 5. So my answer is going to have 3 parts because it's a trinomial, because I multiplied each part. My answer is going to be 15x squared minus 20x plus 5. There is my answer. So that is the area of this rectangle. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed it. And I see I have a pull tab over there. And well, let me copy my pull tab and put it on a new page so we can see it a little bit better. There it is. So my area, length times width, so I had to distribute it. So the 5 got multiplied by everything because this is a little neater than my handwriting. So pardon my handwriting. 5 times minus 4x, 5 times the 1, and 5 times 3 is 15. Don't forget the x squared. 5 times minus 4 minus 20, and 5 times the 1 gives you the positive 5 or plus 5. Wow, that was a lot. I hope you enjoyed this video because I want to make sure you understand area. So we're coming down to the end again. So I want to say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and keep looking for our videos because I'll keep at it as long as I can. If you need help with your homework, dial a teacher homework helpline 212-777-3380 Monday to Thursdays, 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. You can watch my tutorial videos on YouTube. My channel name is Dan Robinson, PKMS. Subscribe to my channel. Give us a thumbs up. I hope you like what we're doing, and I hope we're clear in our explanations. Write us a comment. Let me know how I can do to help even more. Check out our latest video, PKMS Math Prep 21. Right, tweet me at DRobMath1. Don't forget to watch our show, Math Time, on Tuesdays from 4:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. on Optimum Cablevision, only in Peekskill. If you would like more information on or a worksheet on the topic we just studied, write me at drobinson@peekskillschools.org. And there's little Kinsley from Math Prep 21, The Pandemic. And I hope you enjoyed our movie and study video for area word problems. Good video. So thank you so much for working with me, and I'll see you next time. This is Dr. Rob signing off.